Welcome! Here is a very interesting feature of Notezilla Sticky Notes app. You can actually stick digital sticky notes to your documents, websites, folders, or any other app. This video will show you how it works. Here is a sticky note created in Notezilla. Now we will stick it to the Amazon website. Click on the top left button to access the Note toolbar. Choose the Stick to Window option from the menu. All the apps that are currently open will be listed here. Select the Amazon website and press OK. The sticky note will now automatically pop up only when the website is open. Notezilla uses the title of the app to show or hide a particular sticky note. If you want the note to stay visible on all pages of Amazon website, you need to modify the title slightly. Double-click on the window title from the list and add an asterisk at the end to match all titles beginning with the word Amazon. Similarly, you can add an asterisk at the beginning of the title too. Also, you can stick notes to documents and folders. Here is a sticky note we attached to this Excel document. A quick way to directly stick a note to the underlying app is to use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-W. I will now show you sticky notes attached to folders in Windows File Explorer. The window icon in the toolbar indicates a note stuck to any window. What's interesting is that you can share this sticky note with another Notezilla user. The sticky note will pop up automatically when he opens the same folders on his system. This is useful when working on shared network folders. That's it! Don't forget to go to Notezilla settings and configure it as per your needs. The feature you are looking for may be hiding in the settings. Download Notezilla for free today from our website, conceptworld.com. Also, check out more Notezilla videos to explore other interesting features. Thank you.